Hey man, sometimes your vocals wanna party.
Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
I'd let you know. And you gots to tell them no. You gotta tell them no. With the brand new VocAlign 6 Pro. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the party. The channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyProAudio.com. Syncro Arts just released the brand new update of VocAlign. It's VocAlign 6 Pro, and they have the standard edition as well. I'm gonna save you all of the boring details. If you want those, click on the link down in the description. But I just wanna bring you the pure heat and show you how you can start making your vocal sound more polished, more professional, more quickly. All right, so let's get into it. I got a Pro Tools session open right now, and one of the dope things that I want to show y'all is that with the new Pro Tools update, it may or may not be available by the time you're watching this video, but coming very, very soon, you will be able to use the ARA connection, Aura, whatever you want to say it, to actually use VocAlign directly in this session. Now, this is going to save us a whole lot of time for anybody who's ever used VocAlign before. You know, you got to like use all this audio suite and stuff, or if you use Revoice as a standalone application and you had to export stuff out of Pro Tools or whatever DAW you use it and then back in again, those days are coming to an end very quickly. So far, you've seen how simple it was, but if you missed it, all I did was go over to typically in Pro Tools where we would assign a Elastic Audio plugin or Melodyne plugin, right? And I'm just choosing VocAlign 6 Pro. I simply do that. Another way to do it is just to right click on any clip that you want to edit, go down to VocAlign 6 Pro and hit edit. And that will go ahead and initiate that VocAlign 6 Pro right onto that track. Now, the beauty here is that this is going to be super quick and super easy. I want to align these tracks, my backing tracks, and this is a rap song, not everything got to be a singing song, but since it's a rap song with dubs in it, I wanted to tighten those dubs up. Let's go ahead and listen to what I got here. I'm gonna delete this little intro stuff real quick. Let's listen to this real fast.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know. VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
All right, bet. So you can hear that the timing is not the best. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. It could definitely be a little better. So that's what we're gonna use VocAlign for. I'm gonna go ahead and mute these harmony tracks first and just focus on these backend tracks. So simply, I'm gonna select all of this stuff right here. And actually, let's just go ahead and consolidate that just to make this a little bit simpler. Now I got these tracks selected too. I'm just going to right click on both of them while they're selected, go down to Revoice Pro, hit edit, and you'll see that both of those tracks now have the Revoice Pro on it as well. I'm gonna go up to my first track. This first track is the guide. I want the dub, the backend tracks, to follow the timing and the pitch of that lead track in this case. So I'm gonna go ahead down to my VocAlign plugin, and you'll see at the top here we have some presets, so I can choose which preset I want to use. So I'm gonna go slightly loose timing plus pitch, match all notes. That's gonna be a good one. And if that's a good preset for me, next time that I open up VocAlign Pro, it'll automatically have that same preset loaded up and ready to go. Or you can change it whenever you need to. I got my guide track selected. I'm gonna go ahead and hit capture just like we normally would. And then here's a little thing, man. Instead of selecting all of my back-end vocals separately, I'm gonna do them at one time. So I'm gonna come down to my dub, and what I'm gonna do is where it say no group, I'm gonna actually group these. So I'm gonna say new group for the next capture. And then so this group one, and then ultimately I'm gonna be treating both of these tracks gonna get the same treatment. That's what I need them to do anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and now capture those dubs. And then without having to do anything else, it's ready to go. This is happening in real time. Let's hear it.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know. VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro.
All right, so you can hear the timing. We can even see where that timing has been adjusted. On the VocAlign Pro screen, we got this nice little visual slider that allows us to navigate what we're doing, and we can zoom in and all kind of cool stuff. If I wanted to tighten in or focus in on a more narrow section, I could just by adjusting this little viewing area down at the bottom. I can also adjust like the differences here, whether I want to match that timing tight or loose.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro.
All right, you hear how that kind of loosened up?
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
All right, and that's tighter. I can also show and hide the different modules here inside of VocAlign Pro 6. Simply, so if right now we're just watching the timing, but if I also wanted to match my pitch, I could do that too.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
That's so tight, it don't even sound like a double. So I'm going to change the difference in the timing a little bit and change the difference in the pitch and make it a little bit looser so we can feel the variation.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
I'm gonna tighten my timing up a little bit better though.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
Anytime that you want to hear the difference, you can simply come up to the clips that you're working on, right click, go to VocAlign Pro and hit bypass, just like that. You'll see both of these are now bypassed. We got the little indicator right there.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
All right, and then let's unbypass.
VocAlign Pro,
All right, unbypass this one as well.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
I thought I'd let you know.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
All right, bet. Let's listen to my harmonies now. Let's bring these in.
Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
All right, now I held that ending intentionally, and I like what VocAlign Pro is going to do to tighten that up. Now, if I didn't want to tighten it up, I would do something different, but I like the fact that it's going to tighten it up, and watch how powerful this algorithm is, man. So what I'm going to do now is actually set a new guide. So I'm going to capture this new guide. Okay, just for that part right there. I could have probably kept the same thing, but I just want to capture this new section as my guide. Then I'm gonna come and actually, with both of these tracks selected, enable my VocAlign Pro. All right, and you'll see that new indicator that pops up at the end of the clip there. And then select these two. I'm gonna go to my group. I'm gonna say new group for next capture. So we got a new group. Let's go ahead and capture those. And I can actually at any point change the preset that I'm using, or just go in fully manual. I'm gonna go with slightly loose timing, pitch match unison plus tune harmony. Now the dope thing about this is that if there's unison notes in the selection, VocAlign Pro will simply match those unison notes to whatever the guide is. But if they're harmony notes, then they'll just go to whatever the nearest note is, whatever that nearest percentage of the note that whatever I'm off. So it's just gonna tighten it up for me. And it's a smart algorithm that's gonna notice whether it's unison note or harmony.
Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
Oh, you hear how that ending is different?
Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
Right, and we can visually see that this was my guide, how I stretched it out, and now
just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
And of course, we got all of the parameters that we can still adjust and get really nitty gritty on this, but just real quickly, I've already made this sound 10 times better. Let's hear it from the top.
VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know. VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro, VocAlign Pro. Just got upgraded, I thought I'd let you know.
Now, and at any time you want to actually render these effects down, all you need to do is right click, go to VocAlign Pro and hit render. And then no longer are you using the real-time version. It's all processed directly in the clip, and you can keep on doing whatever other edits you need to do, man. I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyProAudio.com. Let me know what you think of the new VocAlign Pro 6 from Syncro Arts, man. Be dope.